If you own a traditional or period home, choosing the right driveway is a massive decision. And few materials carry the instant prestige and character of authentic cobblestone. But is this premium material actually worth the steep price tag, or are you better off with something else? In this video, we're breaking down the pros and cons of cobblestone driveways so you can decide for yourself. Let's start with why so many historic homeowners fall in love with it, the pros. First, the aesthetics. Cobblestone offers an unmatched, timeless charm. Unlike concrete or asphalt, which can look sterile, cobblestone adds character that matures and looks better with age. It respects the heritage of older properties, instantly boosting curb appeal and your property's market value. Second is its legendary durability. True cobblestone, usually made of granite or basalt, can literally last for centuries. They resist cracking, handle heavy vehicle loads effortlessly, and easily withstand extreme freeze-thaw cycles. Once installed, they require very little structural maintenance. They are genuinely built to outlive us. But cobblestone isn't for every homeowner. Let's look at the downsides. The biggest barrier is, without a doubt, the cost. Cobblestone is a premium material, and the labor required to lay each stone individually by hand is incredibly intensive. It can cost up to 3 to 4 times more than standard pavers or concrete. Next is the surface texture. Cobblestones are naturally uneven. This makes them noisier to drive on, harder to shovel snow off of in the winter, and slightly more challenging for those with mobility issues, strollers, or high heels. Finally, there is the joint maintenance. If the joints aren't properly filled with polymeric sand or mortar, you will eventually find yourself fighting weeds and moss. So, what's the final verdict? If you have a historic, traditional, or high-end property and want a driveway that lasts a lifetime, the investment is almost always worth it. It is more than a driveway, it is an architectural statement. Are you considering cobblestones for your next project? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more property guides.